In this fitness website design tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to create a gym and fitness website in WordPress step by step from start to finish. I'll be showing you how to access professional pre-made website templates to make creating your gym and fitness website an easy process. I'll be going over how to make a gym and fitness website using one of the most popular drag and drop editors, Elementor Page Builder, so you can create a professional looking fitness website via drag and drop. I'll also be going over how to set up and accept payments along with memberships for your gym and fitness website. The great thing about this fitness and gym website design tutorial is it is extremely easy to follow along with, even if you have no experience in starting and creating a gym and fitness website. At the end of this video, you will have your website for your gym or fitness business successfully created. The first step I'm going to cover is how to choose and register your own domain name for free. A domain name is the name of your website. For example, the website name for YouTube is youtube.com. Step 2, I'll be going over how to choose a hosting provider. An easy way to think of hosting is it's like the physical storefront of your website. To have a website, you have to have hosting. Step 3 is going over building your site with WordPress and creating a WordPress gym and fitness website using professional pre-made templates and building your site using the most popular drag and drop editor. Let's get started with the gym and fitness website design tutorial. The first thing you want to do to create your site is to click the link in the description below to be taken to Bluehost so you can take advantage of our exclusive Bluehost discount. You'll be getting a free domain name and a Bluehost web hosting discount for your website. Make sure you click the link in the description to get this great deal. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. A little about Bluehost. Bluehost powers over 2 million websites worldwide. They are also recommended by WordPress.org since 2005. They provide 24/7 support via chat and phone, and they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're unhappy, you can cancel and get a refund within the first 30 days. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Bluehost page. Click the View Plans button. You'll now be on the Bluehost Plans page. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Choice Plus, and Online Store Plan. The Basic plan comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes NVMe storage, 100 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 40,000 visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with phone support, daily website backups free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. The Online Store plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. Automated real-time backups with Jetpack and WooCommerce auto install. This plan is good if you're going to have an online store, as it comes with a bunch of extras like store analytics, secure online payments, bookings and appointments, shipping labels, product search and filtering, gift card creation, wish list, customer account customization, sales and promotions builder by WonderCart, and more. Something I want to mention is you can have an e-commerce site with the Basic or Choice Plus plan as well. You just won't get the extra e-commerce features the Bluehost online store plan provides. I'm going to choose the Basic plan for this tutorial. Once you decide on the plan to choose, click the Select button. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. You can type in and search available domains in the search field. If you click from the drop-down where you see .com, you can choose the domain extension your domain name ends in. If you already own a domain name, you can enter it in where it says, I want to use a domain I already own. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Choose Domain Later link and you can choose your free domain name at a later date in the Bluehost dashboard. You'll see Add Domain Privacy Plus Protection. I highly recommend keeping this selected as it'll keep your personal information private so that spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your personal information and contact you by phone and email with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public whois database as domain names are regulated. If you select Domain Privacy Plus Protection, it'll show Bluehost default contact information instead of yours. You'll now be on the cart page. You'll see your hosting plan here. If you click from the drop-down, you can select the term for your web hosting purchase. You get the lowest pricing with the 12-month term. You'll see the add-ons here. If you don't want any of them, you can click the trash can icon to remove them. Professional email is if you want an email address ending in your domain name with a custom inbox. Added security for your email, your contacts and calendars to sync, Drive to share files, create and manage tasks, and create documents from a full suite of tools. I do want to note that Bluehost does come with free email addresses ending in your domain name, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you really want to utilize all the added features provided by professional email. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. You now want to input your contact information and account information. Next, choose your payment method and input your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. Bluehost will now email you your Bluehost receipt. You'll be taken to a thank you for your purchase page while your hosting account is loaded. Once it is done, you'll see your new WordPress site is installing. You'll see the Login to WordPress button. Click this to be taken to WordPress. You'll now be on the Welcome to WordPress page. You can choose to create your site with the AI Site Creator, Guided Website Setup. You can import a website, and at the bottom, you'll see I'm following a tutorial. Take me to the WordPress dashboard. You can select this one as you'll be following along with me in this tutorial. You'll now be in the WordPress dashboard. Before we start picking out a theme and creating our site, I want to cover the Bluehost control panel. I'm here in the Bluehost control panel homepage. In the left side menu, click Websites. If you click Edit Site, it'll take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can begin in creating and editing your website. If you click Settings, you'll see your Bluehost name servers are listed here below in case you need them. Before we choose a theme and start editing it, we want to change our domain name to be secure using HTTPS with the free SSL certificate. I'll click Edit Site to be taken to WordPress. I'll hover over Settings in the left side menu. Click General. You'll see WordPress address URL and site address URL. Change these to HTTPS instead of the HTTP. Scroll down and click Save Changes. It'll now log you out of WordPress because we changed URL to HTTPS. Just log back in. To pick out a theme for your site, on the far left you will see tabs. Find the Appearance tab and hover over it. Click Themes. Is this where you can pick out a theme for your site? Next, click Add New Theme. You'll now see WordPress themes that you can choose from. There's thousands of free themes to choose from. Now I'm going to show you how to access free professionally designed WordPress themes and how to edit them easily with the drag and drop editor. Type in Ocean WP in the search field. Click the Install button. Once it is finished installing, click the Activate button. Once it is finished activating the theme, you'll see the Install and Activate Ocean Extra. Click this. On this page, I'll click Skip. Next, click Install Demos. Scroll down and click the Sport category. It'll pull up a few templates that are great for a gym and fitness website. If you click the Live Preview button, it'll show you what the live preview of the template looks like. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose this theme here called Mega Gym. I'll click Import. You'll now be on the Required Plugins pop-up. We want to go ahead and install and get each of the recommended plugins. I'll click Install Now on Elementor. You'll see Get This add-on next to Ocean Sticky Header and Ocean Elementor widgets. Don't worry about these as these are pro add-ons. I'll click the Go to the Next Step button. You'll now be on the Select What You Want to Import. I recommend keeping everything selected. Click Install this demo. It'll begin importing the template and demo content. Once it is done, you'll see the demo imported. Click the See the Result. It'll now bring up a new tab with the view of your website and what it looks like. Now let's go over how to make edits to the WordPress theme and how to use the drag and drop editor to create your site. To make edits to your site, click the Edit with Elementor tab on the top of the page. It'll now bring you to the drag and drop editor where you can create your site quick and easy. To make edits to a part of the page, just click where you want to make edits and start making edits. I can change the text here from Train the Fighter in You to Demo Gym Fitness Website. you'll see you can link the text out to a page if you want. The heading type, if you click Style, you can change the alignment of the text. If you click the pencil icon next to Typography, from the drop-down next to Family, you can change the font. You can change the size of the text. Next, let's cover how to change the background image and colors for this top section. If you right-click into this top section here, click Edit Section. Next, click Style. Where you see background type, you can choose for the background to be classic, gradient, a video, or a slideshow where you can begin adding in images to show for the slideshow. I'm going to keep it on classic. If you want to add or remove an image, hover over the image showing here. If you click the trash can icon, you can remove the image. If you click into the image, you can now upload an image where it says Upload Image, or choose an image you've already got uploaded into WordPress by selecting Media Library. I'll select one I've already uploaded. I'll click the Select button. The image is now uploaded. Next, click the Background Overlay section. If you click into color, it'll change the color here. You can change the color to something you like. Next, where you see opacity, you can drag this over to get the image to look how you want. Next, let's go over editing the button. I'm going to click into a button. You'll be able to change the name of the text. You can link the button out to where you like it. If you click the settings icon next to the link, you can choose to have the link open in a new tab and make it nofollow if you'd like. Where you see icon, you can select to not have an icon with the button. Where it says Upload SVG, you can upload an icon. If you click Icon Library, you can view icons you can add to the button. If you click Style, you can make changes to the font used and colors for the button. If you click Hover, this is where you can make edits to the font and colors on the button hover. I'll scroll down a bit on the page. If you click the plus icon at the top where it says Add Element, this is where you can get back to where you can drag stuff into the page. You can select what you want over on the left and drag it in wherever you'd like it. If you right-click on an area, you can delete it if you don't want it. By right-clicking, you can duplicate something if you need to duplicate it. You can drag something over to somewhere else on the page by selecting it and dragging it over to where you want it. I'll drag a text into the page. If you click to edit the text, you'll be able to make edits to the text like make it bold. You can link out a text to somewhere. If you click the settings icon, you can choose to have the link open in a new tab if you'd like. If you click toolbar toggle, it'll give you more options like changing the alignment of the text, changing the text color. You can undo and redo changes here. If you click style at the top, you can then make more changes to the text. If you click the pencil icon where you see typography, where you see family, from the drop-down, you can select different fonts for the text. Where you see size, you can change the sizing of the text. You'll see the icons and text here. To edit this, just click into the area. You can easily remove the icon or click Upload SVG to upload your own icon. If you click Icon Library, you can choose from icons to use for this section. You can change the title and description. If you click Style, click Icon. You can change the icon color and size. If you click Hover, you can change the icon hover color and size. If you click Content, you can make changes to the title and description, colors, text, and size. Scroll down to this section here. If you want to change an image of a section, click the image. You can remove the image by clicking the trash can icon or click into the image where it says Choose Image. You could then upload an image or choose an image already uploaded to WordPress, just like shown in the top section. To edit social media icons, click into them. You'll see these social icons. Click the X button to remove any you don't want. You can change the shape of the icons. If you click Add Item, you can choose the social media icon you want. Upload SVG is where you can upload your own social media icon to use here. If you click Icon Library, you can search through social media icons to use. You can link your social media profile. If you click Official Color, you can change it to Custom Color if you want to change the color for the social media icons. To edit an icon, just click into the icon and you can make edits. If you click Style, you can make changes to the colors and size of the social media icons. Next, scroll down to this section. You'll see the background image showing here. If you want to change that or remove that, right-click up in the top of the section. Click Edit section. Click Style. You'll see the background image showing here. Click the trash can icon to remove it, or click Choose Image to change the image like shown earlier. Next, scroll down to this section. If you want to change the background color of a section, right-click into the section at the top. Click Edit section. Click Style. Make sure Classic is selected next to Background Type. You'll see Color. Click into this and you can change the background color of the section. Next, let's cover adding a section to your site. If you hover over a section, you can click the plus icon and then click the plus icon showing again to add a new section to the page. Click Flexbox. Next, choose the structure for the section. I'll select this one. You can now drag in something over into the section. If you click the middle icon with the dots, you can then edit that section. If you click the X button, it'll completely remove that section from the page. If you click into a section, click the middle icon with the dots. You can drag it up or down to move that section to somewhere else on the page. Now I want to cover the Contact Us form to show you how this works. Scroll down to this section called Keep in Touch. We're going to add the contact form here. In the search field, type in WP Forms. Click WP Forms and drag it into the section here. We see Select a Form. Click this, and from the drop-down, select Simple Contact Form. You'll see the contact form has been added. You notice the text is showing black and it's hard to see. Let's change this. Click Display Options. Click Style. You'll see the text in the color. Click into this. I'll change the color to a lighter color so you can now see it. If you click Button Style, you'll see next to background this blue color showing here. Click into the color. You can change the color to what you'd like. This will change the background color of the button. You can change the size of the button. Now let's save our changes. Click the arrow icon next to Publish. Click Save Draft. Next, click the preview icon to preview our changes. To edit contact forms on your site, hover over your site title name at the top. Click Dashboard. Next, click on WP Forms. You'll see the Contact Us form here. Hover over it and click Edit. It's now going to bring up the builder for the Contact Us form. You can hover over an area to delete it or duplicate it. You can click an area and drag it to wherever you'd like it. If you want to add something, you can drag it over from the side. If you click Field Options, you can click on a part of the form and then make changes from the side. You can select to make this part of the form a required or not required part to fill out. If you click Advanced, you can click on a part of the form you want to change, and you can select between the size of the form field for that area, and then change if you want anything to show in the form field where they input their information. If you click Settings, you'll be in the General section where you can edit things for the form. Spam Protection allows you to toggle on spam protection options. Notifications is where you can put in the email the form info should be sent to, and the from email address showing to the person who filled out the form. And the confirmations is where you can put in a confirmation message that shows to the person who filled out the form. Click Save to save changes. When you are done, click the X button. Now I'm going to go over maps for your site in case you want to have a map for your website. I'm here on the editor for the page. I'll scroll down to the map section at the bottom. Hover over the map and click the pencil icon. Where it says location, you can put in the address of your business. You can toggle zoom to get the map to look how you want. The height will change the height of the map. You'll now see the notification showing about the Google Maps API key up at the top. Click the Create Your Here link. It'll take you to this page. Scroll down and click Go to Credentials page. Click Create Project. Put in the project name. You could just put in your site or business name. Put in the address and click Create. It'll then give you your API key. You can copy and paste into the API key field. Now you want to click the Integration Settings link. Paste the API key here and click Save Changes. Your map will now show live for your site visitors. Now I'm going to go over how to accept payments on your site. I'm here on the view of my site. I'll scroll down and you'll see the pricing section. You'll see no pricing plans showing here. Here's how to add them to your site. I'll hover over my site title name at the top. I'll click Dashboard. Hover over the Plugins tab in the left side menu. Click Add New Plugin. In the search field, type in Essential Add-ons. You'll see the Essential Add-ons plugin showing here. Click the Install button. Once it is done installing, click the Activate button. You'll now be taken to the Get Started with Essential Add-ons page. Click Skip this step. Leave Basic selected. Click the Next button. Click the Next button. Click the Next button. Click Skip. Click Finish. We will now be taken to the Essential Add-ons page within WordPress. Now let's add a pricing table for our gym and fitness website. Hover over your site title name up at the top. Click Visit Site. Click the Edit with Elementor tab. Next, scroll down to the Pricing Plans section. In the search field, type in Pricing. You'll see Pricing Table. Drag this into the page. You'll see it's added a pricing table. I'll go ahead and do the same for these two spots as an example. You'll see I have the pricing tables added. Hover over the pricing table you want to edit and click the pencil icon. Where you see pricing style, from the drop-down, you can select between default and pricing style too. You'll see list icon. If I toggle this off, it'll get rid of the icon showing here. You can change the title. If you click price, you can change the price. You'll see on sale. You can toggle this on if you want to show an on sale price. You can input your currency and price period. You can change to whatever you like or remove it completely. If you click feature, this is where you can edit the features that show here. Click the X button to remove it. If you click add item, it'll let you add a feature. If you click into one, you can change the name of it. You can change the icon color. Item active. If you toggle this to no, you'll see it'll have a line through it. Where you see tooltip, if you enable this, when you hover over it, it'll give more information. You can change the content of it here. Where you see trigger, you can have it show on hover or on click. You can make more changes here. I'll scroll down and click button. You can choose to display a button or not. If you want to have a button icon show, you can select an icon from icon library, upload your own, or completely remove an icon from showing. You can change the icon position. You can change the text that shows in the button. You can link out the button to somewhere if you'd like. If you click ribbon, if you toggle featured to on, you'll see the style showing here to the plan. From the drop-down, you can select different ones. I'll select style 4. You'll see it'll say featured on the plan. Where you see the featured tag text, you can change the text that shows there. You can change the ribbon alignment. If you click style, you can change the background color of the pricing table. If you click Header, you can change the colors and font settings for the header of the pricing table. If you click Pricing, you can change the colors and font settings. If you click Feature List, you can change the colors, icon settings, and font settings. If you click Ribbon, you can change the font size and colors. If you click Tooltip, you can change the font settings and colors. If you click Button, you can change the icon size, font settings, and colors. You can change these settings on the button hover. Now I want to go over how to accept payments for your site and how to have it show here in the pricing section. I'll click the arrow icon next to Publish and click Save Draft to save my changes. To accept payments for your site, you want to pull up Stripe in your browser. I've also provided a link below in the description to Stripe. Stripe will be the payment gateway and is how we're going to accept payments for our products or services. You can log in here if you have a Stripe account or click Create Account to create a free Stripe account. Once logged into Stripe, you'll be here in the Stripe dashboard. You'll see Payments in the left side menu. Click Payments. From the drop-down, click Payment Links. You'll see the Create a Checkout page in a few clicks. Click the Create Payment Link button under Select Type from the drop-down. You can choose products or subscriptions, or customers choose what to pay. I'll select products or subscriptions. You'll see Payment Page is selected. You want to add a new product or service. I'll type in Demo Gym Membership as an example. I'll click to add it. This will be the product or service name. You can enter a description for the product or service. This will appear at checkout on the customer portal and in quotes. You can upload an image for the product or service. If you click More Options, you can choose to get started with setting up tax for your product with Stripe. If you click it, it'll bring up a new window going to your Stripe tax page in your account. You'll be able to automate taxes on all your transactions. Click the Continue Setup button to walk through the steps and complete your setup. I'm back here on the previous page we were on. Input the statement descriptor. You can input a unit label. I'll click the More Options again to close out of it. You'll see One-Off and Recurring. I'll choose Recurring as I want to set up a recurring gym membership. We see amount, you can input the price here. I'll put $25. You'll see you can change the currency if you'd like. We see billing period. You can change this to be monthly, daily, weekly, yearly, every 3 months, every 6 months, or you can set up custom pricing. If you click More Pricing Options, you can make changes here. You'll see under Advanced Price Description. You can use this to organize your prices. This isn't shown to customer. I'll click the Back button. You'll see the unit quantity over to the right. You can input the unit quantity you'd like. When you are done, click the Add Product button. Your product or service has been added. If you click the mobile icon, you can view what it looks like on mobile devices. You'll see over to the left, Let Customer Adjust Quantity. Select this if you want customers to select a quantity for the product or service. You can input the quantity numbers here up to the max you want. If you have another product or service, you can click Add Another Product to repeat the steps we just went over under Options. You can add recommended products. You can select any options you want. Collect tax automatically. You can collect customers' addresses. You can require customers to provide a phone number to select. You can include a free trial. If you click Advanced Options, you can choose to add custom fields, allow promotion codes, allow business customers to provide tax IDs. You'll see Pay as the call to action. From the drop-down, you can change this to Subscribe or Donate. Next, I'll scroll up. If you click After Payment, it'll give you a preview after the payment is made. You can choose to show the confirmation page, replace default with custom message, or don't show a confirmation page. If you click Post Payment Invoice, it'll show you the view of the invoice that is sent out. Once done, click the Create Link button at the top right of the page. You'll now be on the payment link for your product page. You can manage your payment methods here. Enable strike tax if you'd like. Now I want to show you how to set up the payment link in your website. You'll see the link showing here. Copy this link. Next, go to the editor for the page where you want to input the payment link. I'm here on the editor for the website. I'll scroll down to the pricing plan section. I'll click on the pencil icon in one of the pricing tables. I'll click button. Where you see link, paste in the link we copied. I'll click the arrow icon next to publish. I'll click save draft to save my changes. I'll click the preview icon to bring up a preview of the page. I'll scroll down to the pricing plan section. I'll click on the button where I just copied the payment link to. You'll see I'm directed to the payment page where customers can input their payment details and buy the product or service. Now let's get to know the drag and drop editor Elementor better. I'm here in the editor for the website. You'll see publish in the top right. Click this when you want to publish changes you've made to your site. If you click the arrow, you can save the page as a draft or save the page as a template to then use as a template for another page you create. To view changes you've made to your site, click the eye icon and it'll show you a preview of your site. If you click the desktop icon, it'll show you what your changes look like on desktop devices. The tablet icon will show tablet devices, and the mobile icon will show mobile devices. If you hover over the site settings icon and click it, you can change things like the colors of your entire site, fonts used, and more. If you click the Elementor menu icon and click history, and then click revisions, it'll list out all the revisions for your site that it has pre-saved. If you click one, it'll bring your site edits back to how they were at the time of that edit. If you click the Elementor menu icon and click exit to WordPress, then click the WordPress icon in the top left, it'll take you to the WordPress dashboard. If you hover over the Pages tab, click Add New to add a new page to your site. If you click All Pages, it'll showcase all the pages on your site. If you hover over the Media tab and click on Library, it'll show you all the images you've uploaded in WordPress. If you click Add New at the top, you can then upload or drag in an image into WordPress. If you hover over Post and click Add New, you can create a new blog post for your site. If you click All Posts, it'll pull up all the posts you have on your site. If you click the Comments tab, you will see all the comments you have on your blog post. You can easily reply, mark it as spam, or trash the comment. If you hover over the Plugins tab and click Add New, you can then search for or browse plugins to add to your site. Any feature or customization you might want on your site, more than likely there's a plugin for that. If you hover over the Appearance tab in the left side menu, click on Menus. This is where you can edit the menu on your site. You can add new pages to the menu or drag a page to a different order. If you click the tiny arrow, you can change the name of it or completely delete it from the menu. If you want to create a completely new menu, you can click Create a New Menu. If you want to have submenu items show in the menu, just add the items to the menu. Place it a bit to the right under the menu name you want it to show under. I'll add a few under our trainers. I'll click Save Menu. I'll now pull up the view of my site, and you now see the submenu items showing in the menu under our trainers. Next, I want to cover how to edit the footer copyright text, top bar, header, and logo for your site. From the view of your website, if you click the Customize tab in the top bar, you'll be taken to the Customize page. Scroll down to the bottom of your site, you'll see the footer copyright text showing here. To edit this, click Footer Copyright. You can then change the text to what you'd like. I'll change the Get in Shape with to Demo Fitness Website. You'll see the website URL showing here in between the parentheses. You can replace this with your site address here. I'll paste mine in. Next, you'll see Ocean WP. I'll replace this to Ultimate Gym Experience. You'll see the changes showing here in the copyright text area. If you scroll down to the typography and colors, you can change the copyright background color, copyright text color, and copyright links color. I'll scroll back up to the top here. I'll click the back icon. Next, scroll up to the top of the page. You'll see this top bar showing here. To edit this, click top bar. You'll see enable top bar. You can toggle this off if you don't want to show this. I'll toggle it back on. If you click from the drop down under visibility, you can choose the devices you want the top bar to show on. Under top bar options, if you click general, under elements positioning, from the drop down, you can change the positioning of the content in the top bar. I'll click the back icon. If you click content, you can make changes to the content you want here. If you want to keep something that is already here, you can just select what you want to edit and make changes. I'll click the back icon. If you click social menu, click social menu options. You can change the link's target to new tab or same tab. You can change the icon size, the social links color. I'll click the back icon. If you click social links, this is where you can input the social media profile links for your accounts. I'll click the back icon 3 times. If you click header, click general. You can make changes here if you'd like. I'll click the back icon. Under logo and media, if you click header media, you can add a header video if you want one to show, or include a YouTube link and it'll show that. You can change the header image here as well. I'll click the back icon. If you click logo, you can remove the current logo and change the current logo to add in your own logo. I'll click the back icon. Under menus, if you click menu, you can change the menu position. Link effects if you want any. You can change the menu's left and right spacing. Under typography and colors, if you click typography, next to main menu item, you can change the font weight, size, and text transform. I'll click the X button. Next to links, you can change the colors of the links. The second color is the hover color. If you scroll down to advanced menu options, click drop down menu options. You can make changes to the drop down menu settings, font, and settings and colors. I'll click the back icon. If you click header search, under header search style, you can choose to have search showing. I'll select this one as an example, and you'll see how it displays. You can make changes to the colors. Now I'll select this one, and you'll see how it displays. I'll click the back icon. I'll scroll up. I'll click the back icon again. Under mobile, if you click mobile menu, you can choose to make changes here if you want a separate mobile menu to show differently than desktop devices. I'll click the back icon twice. If you click typography, you can make global changes to the typography of your site. If you click Google Font Settings, you can choose to disable Google Fonts. If you toggle on Enable Local Google Fonts, you can now host Google Fonts directly on your site for faster loading and improved privacy. You can toggle Apply on Elementor and preload local Google Fonts. You'll see where you can choose the font format for your locally hosted Google Fonts. Under Google Font subsets, you can change this if you'd like. I'll click the back icon. If you click typography, next to one of the heading types, you can change the font and font settings. I'll click the back icon. If you click colors, you can change the global site settings for colors. You now know how to access pre-made professional templates, how to create a gym and fitness website, and making edits to it using the drag and drop editor Elementor page builder. That is my fitness website design tutorial going over how to make a gym and fitness website in WordPress step by step. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more website tutorial videos.